30 Most Popular Crassula Succulent Pictorial Guide. Crassula is a genus of succulent plants in the family Crassulaceae, which consists of around 200 types. Crassulas are known for their thick, fleshy leaves and their ability to store water in their leaves, stems, and roots, making them well adapted to dry, arid environments. Crassula ovata, jade plant. Crassula argentea, silver jade plant. Crassula tetragona, mini pine tree. Crassula lycopodioides, club moss crassula. Crassula rupestris, string of buttons. Crassula perforata, string of beads. Crassula muscosa, watch chain. Crassula capitella, campfire plant. Crassula falcata, propeller plant. Crassula arborescens, silver dollar plant. Crassulas are simple to care for and are perfect for novices. They are also tolerant to a wide variety of temperature levels, making them perfect for indoor or outdoor growing. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.